How to resize images in Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the testing in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now type Photo Resizer. Now once you're done, simply tap on Search. Now tap on Photo and Picture Resizer and click on Install. Now wait for the application to install. After installing, simply tap on Open. Now wait for some time. Tap on Skip. Tap on the cross icon. Now tap on Select Photos. Now give the permissions and select a photo. Now click on Open. Now tap on Resize. Now select a photo size. Now wait for some time. Now tap on Share. Now scroll to the right. Tap on Save to My Files. Now click on Save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.